Start.
Hey guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have iPhone 13 Pro in our house, and this video is sponsored by the Cashify store. So now we are unboxing the same, and just look how the first impression about this all device. So I'm opening the device. We have phone. This is iPhone 13 Pro. If you see, it's a graphite color. Along with that, we can see is a billing document, few paperworks. This is the documentation, and this is the Apple sticker we have. Okay, and along with that, we have a SIM ejector pin in the box. So this is it. We can close this and just look at how the devices look alike. Keep this aside. So this is basically the Apple 13 Pro. If you check the current price of this particular device is almost 1,07,000, okay, in the Amazon and even though in the Flipkart platform. But now since the big billion sale has been on, so you can get this device with the costing of 88,000 to 85,000 after applying all the discount scheme. In almost all credit card you will get the discount. So just talk about this particular device features. So this is almost 6.1 inches OLED screen with Super XDR display. If you see on the side, it's an aluminum frame, so you will feel like you are holding such a kind of premium device. If you see on the back, there is a 3 camera. This is a 12 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel macro. If you see the ports and the buttons, you have a Type C port here, and these are the speaker grill. On the next side, you will see the few are the antenna band, which indicate it's a 5G ready device, and you will get almost 20 to 21 5G band support in this particular device. This device is run with A15 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful chipset, you can say in that word, and you will not facing any kind of smudges or jitter while scrolling any kind of app or any kind of games you will like to play for this particular device. So this is it as of now. So we can make a further comparison, and we'll post the further video about this particular device, about the gaming review. Okay, so that's it for now. If you wanted to purchase the device, you can purchase through the Cashify platform. You will get the reasonable price. Also, there is a big billion sale is going on. You can using the Flipkart platform or the Amazon platform to purchase this device. So that would be that is the sufficient information from my end. Just keep watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.